What is up, YouTube? 95452 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. And as you guys can see by the title, you guys know what this is. This is the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. I hit on Eastbay, I believe. I hit on the ship to me, ship to me option. I couldn't believe I actually hit on these. And look at that. Let's see if the box didn't come damaged or anything. Oh, looks good to me. But in here, I got the receipt, I think. Or do I? Oh, it's just so it's just the whole Foot Locker thing. Thank you for the purchase. And then, just a return instruction or something. This is the first time I've seen something like this. If you want to return, this time you gotta actually like fill it out and stuff like that. As far as, well, that's if you want to return, your own sneakers. But here they are. Got the Air Jordan right there. Got this cool gray, right? The box did get a little ding there, but it's okay. Got the Nike Air here in white, and then here's the tag. Air Jordan 11 Retro, medium gray, multicolor, size 10. Now, it doesn't have a suggested retail here. Now, that's odd, right? It usually has it, but kind of is what it is. Open the box. You guys already know Jordan 11 paper here. Got that black tissue paper. Ooh. Okay, so just a little before I get into the shoe. I have never owned a Jordan 11 Cool Gray. I only have the low pair. I'd never owned the 2010 pair. But I'm gonna take, oh my. This is actually nicer than I thought. Now, obviously, the main difference between the other retros, right, was the toe box. Kind of has like a more sloped toe box, I think. Yeah, you guys can see here. But look at the icy bottom they did on it. They did a great job on this. You got the gray padding here. You got the gray, cool gray, right, patent leather. You got that high cut patent leather. You have the very soft, what would you even call this? Oh, this is very soft right here. The upper, very clean. Here's the Jumpman here, in like a light gray. Got the 23 here in white on the back. Yeah, it's very smooth there. It feels good. Here's the other side. Got your white laces. Got your gray tongue. It got the same material up here. It's very soft. Got the Jordan Jumpman right here. And let me take a look in the inside. Oh, you look at this is what I've noticed. This is different from the Jordan 11s. The oh wow, I think it's really in there, isn't it? It does not come with one of those like the plastic shoe trees that the Jordan 11s usually come with. That's kind of a bummer, but I mean, to me, it's not a big deal. Then here on the inside, obviously you got the gray sock liner, and then you got your gray inner with the white Jumpman staring at you. And then inside here, obviously, quality basketball products expired by the greatest player ever. And then the production's always on this side. I can't really. It's right there. You guys can see that, right? There it is. But yeah, that's mainly like the main difference I've noticed with this shoe. I've seen reviews, so I kind of expected that. It would have been nice though if they would have thrown in like a gray plastic shoe tree, but it is what it is. You got that white midsole, that icy bottom though. It really stands out. Very clean shoe, very simple shoe, right? Like I told you guys, I've never owned the cool gray high before. I have the lows, but that's pretty much it. Let me take a look at the other pair. Yep. Man, I'm so glad I hit on these. As soon as I got charged and everything, so I kind of like expected that it was them. I did the Eastbay thing shipped to home option or something like that, where it's new, right? Before it would be just like a pickup option. Um, and then I put all my head starts or whatever, the 4 head starts, and then I actually got them. So uh, I took an L on the rest though, like on Foot Locker or Champs, and on the sneakers app, obviously. Even on the Nike app, uh, I missed out. So luckily, I got hit on these. I mainly collect Jordan 1s and Jordan 11s. I'm more of a 1s and 11s type of guy. So happy that I hit on these. As far as the inside of the box, let me see. It doesn't come with the. Does it come with the quality control like sticker or something? Oh, there it is. There it is right there. So I hit these on eBay on the ship to me or ship to home, whatever it was, option. But nonetheless, man, I'm happy. I'm happy I hit on these. And yeah, I mean, this has been a little quick review, quick little unboxing. There's the tag one more time. I do wonder though why this one, it doesn't have the suggested retail sticker right here. But it is what it is, I guess. Alright, so that's been my review for that, for Jordan 11 Cool Gray, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.